Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your headphones Redmi Buds 6S. So let's starting. The touch buttons located right here. So I will tell it to you and show it to you. So if you press 2 times on your left or right earbud, you will play and pause the song. 1, 2. So let's check it. 1, 2. And I just pause the song. And again 1, 2. And I play a song. Now, if you press 3 times on your left or right earbud, you will play a next track. So 1, 2, 3. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3. And I just play next track. And that's it. I can change volume with these buttons and I can play previous track. That's it. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. Now I press 2 times, 1, 2, and I just answering the call. And if I press 3 times, I will reject a call. 1, 2, 3, and I'm rejected. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.